All right, let's talk about a tool you probably think you know inside and out, ChatGPT. But what if I told you you're probably only scratching the surface, like maybe using just 10% of what it can really do?
I mean, seriously, did you know it can create custom art, plan your next vacation right down to the last detail, and even squash that annoying bug in your code?
See, that's the thing. It's so much more than just a chatbot. The real magic happens when you stop treating it like a fancy search engine and start thinking of it as your personal co-pilot. That's when everything changes.
So we're going to break this down into 3 levels. Let's kick things off with level 1. Turning ChatGPT into your everyday super assistant for all that stuff you do, well, every single day.
Okay, this is all about making life simpler. Tired of meal planning? Let it handle your whole week. Got to whip up a resume and cover letter? Boom, done. Got that massive PDF from work? It'll give you the cliff notes in a snap. And oh yeah, it's an instant translator too.
But wait, it's not just for the boring stuff. It can be your personal tutor on literally any subject. Need to brainstorm? It's your go-to partner. It can even write you a song. And here's a feature I bet a lot of you don't use: talking to it hands-free with voice mode on your phone.
Seriously, this voice mode is a total game changer. You can have an actual spoken conversation with it. It's perfect for when you're driving or walking the dog and an idea just hits you. You just talk, it talks back. It's like having an assistant in your pocket, for real.
All right, so that's pretty amazing for day-to-day life, right? But now let's level up. We're moving on to level 2, where we turn ChatGPT into a serious co-pilot for your career.
Okay, so for all you coders out there, this is huge. It can write all that starter code for you and, get this, it can find bugs and explain what's wrong in simple English. No more staring at weird error messages. If you're in a spreadsheet all day, just ask it for those crazy formulas. And for the marketing folks, it's an idea machine for ad copy, blog posts, you name it.
And we're not just talking about text anymore. Now you can actually upload a spreadsheet and it will analyze the data for you. It'll even make charts and graphs. Need an image? Just describe what you want. You can even upload a confusing diagram and ask it, hey, what am I looking at?
So you're probably wondering, how does it do all that? Well, there's a feature called Advanced Data Analysis, and it's basically like having a data scientist on speed dial. Under the hood, it's writing and running Python code to figure everything out. And the best part? You don't have to know any code yourself, at all.
Okay, we've gone from personal helper to professional powerhouse. Are you ready for level 3? This is where we turn ChatGPT into the ultimate custom AI, one that's built just for you.
This is where you really take control. Now it can browse the live internet for up-to-the-minute info. There's a memory feature so it actually remembers stuff you've told it before. You can give it custom instructions so it always talks in the tone you want. You can even tell it exactly how to format its answers, like, put this in a table for me.
So here's a great example of how those custom instructions work. You tell it, hey, just so you know, I'm a developer who works with Python. Then you tell it, and when you respond, always give me code examples. You set that one time, and from then on, every single answer is perfectly tailored for you. It's incredibly powerful.
But we can take it even one step further. What if you could build your own version of ChatGPT?
This is where it all comes together. It's a safe sandbox to practice your coding. You can hook it up to other apps to automate your workflows. You can use tools like Canva right inside the chat. But the absolute peak? Building your very own custom GPTs for basically anything. At this point, it stops being a tool and becomes more like your own personal operating system.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. The actual head of ChatGPT at OpenAI said their goal is something that feels a little bit more like an operating system. That's not some far-off future. That's where we are right now.
So there it is. We went from a simple chat box all the way to a personalized platform that's integrated into everything you do.
Hey, if you learned something new today, even just one thing, it would mean a lot if you'd hit that like button and subscribe for more explainers like this.
And one last thing, I really want to know, which of these tricks really blew your mind? Was it the data analysis, the custom instructions, or the fact that you can build your own? Drop a comment below and let us know. I'm excited to see what you think.